Welcome to ESL Class Online. Today we are going to look at the present simple tense verb. Let's have fun learning grammar. The present simple tense is used for routines, habits, daily events, and general truths. It describes actions that happen regularly or facts that are always true. Let's look at how to form these verbs. When the subject pronoun is I, you, we, or they, we use the base form of the verb. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. When the subject pronoun is he, she, or it, we use the base form of the verb plus s or es. For example, she reads a book before bedtime. Can you think of something you do every day? How would you describe it using the present simple tense? Here's a closer look at using the present simple tense to describe daily routines and general truths. Common verbs related to daily routines include wake up, go to work, and cook dinner. Present simple tense is used with time-related expressions such as in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. We also use this verb tense to talk about general truths. Here are two example sentences used to describe daily routines. I always drink juice in the morning, and she exercises in the afternoon. For general truths, I could say, the sky is blue, and the earth revolves around the sun. Remember, the present simple tense is used to describe routines, habits, daily events, and general truths. Thanks for joining me today. Happy learning! Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful videos. See you next time!